cut off the glass. Very easy, right? Very easy. Okay, now we're using this laminating mode. Okay, now we'll put it into the laminator. Now the temperature is 50. The temperature is 50 degrees and the vacuum time is 30 seconds. And we're using, this is the holding time 25 seconds and the pressure is 0.25. Now let's go get closer to see how it's actually there is no bubbles on it. A little a little bit on the. We have like we have a little bit bubbles on the edge. So here, so we have to put into the bubble remover. Okay, now let's put into the bubble remover. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Now the temperature is 55 degrees. Temperature 55, and then let's start. Okay, now let's see the results. It's beautiful.